This is day 2 of my preparation. Day 2 and day 3. I have done 2 days comparison now. So um, in these 2 days I have started reading the temperature part of the geography. I have only done geography these 2 days. So this temperature part comes under the climatology after the geomorph after the geomorphology. Climatology comes. So in the climatology we have to first learn the primary difference between weather and climate, and then we will learn all the different layers of atmosphere and some important atmospheric protocols like Vienna Convention and Kigali Agreement, like that convention. And after that we will and after that I have come to this temperature part. So in this temperature part I have learned about what is temperature, how is temperature affecting earth, and learned about the what are the factors that are affecting the temperature, like latitude, altitude, and distance from the sea, like that thing. And I have done the the difference between annual range of temperature and diurnal range of temperature. And then I have come to the seasons part. How is the tilt of the earth affecting the seasons here, and how is the location of the earth with respect to the sun, and how is it affecting like the equinox part, and like the equinox part and the winter solstice and summer solstice of the earth and sun. And then I have learned about the distribution of temperature in the earth. There are two types: vertical distribution of temperature and horizontal distribution of temperature. Vertical distribution of temperature varies with the layers in the earth. Horizontal distribution of temperature varies with the because of the tilt of the earth. It varies, like there is frigid zone, torrid zone, and temperate zone. Our India lies in the torrid zone. And after that I have learned about the heat budget. In the heat budget, how is the albedo reflecting the sun's heat, and how are the clouds reflecting the sun's heat. There are different types of materials like forests. How are they reflecting the heat? So that is the heat budget. And after that I have the final part of the temperature part. It is the inversion of temperature. There are 4 types of inversion of temperature: the frontal inversion, and the air drainage inversion, and subsidence inversion, and ground inversion. So I have learned about these. And after that there was this part. The temperature part is over in the climatology, and I have come to this pressure part. What is pressure, what is high pressure, low pressure, and where are different types of pressures are formed in our earth's surface, like the subtropical zone and the polar zone. How is the pressure distributed in the earth's atmosphere, I have learned. Tomorrow I will go detail in the pressure, and let's see what happens.